What is up, you guys? It's your girl Shanice, and it was one of my New Year's resolutions to learn how to do my makeup better, especially eyeshadow. I always do like base, but never really eyeshadow. So it's time for me to step my cookies up this year. And because I'm just experimenting, I'm still a beginner, I got this palette off of SHEIN, SHEGLAM. I used one of my friend's palettes on my birthday, and I looked at the price. It was pretty cheap, so I was like, all right. And plus I was doing a SHEIN order, so I was like, I might as well try the SHEGLAM. So I got the Los Angeles Matinee in LA, and this is what it looks like. It came in a box, obviously, and this is what it looks like on the inside. Okay, can you guys see that? There's 15 colors, and I was going for like a neutral brown smoky eye vibe. But yeah, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna swatch them for you guys because I could not find any like real life black girl swatches on YouTube. So I was like, all right, let's do that. And then I'm gonna try to do beginner makeup. We'll see how that goes. Okay, you guys, this is what all the swatches look like on my hand. Let me try to give you a decent view. Okay, but honestly, first impressions are really not that bad. I was like a little worried low-key because it was so affordable, but they felt really buttery in the pan when I was trying them on. So yeah, I'm really excited because I feel like I can do a lot of like looks with these colors. So yeah, I'm gonna try something really simple, really quick right now. Okay, so I'm gonna use a primer. This one's from NYX. I've honestly had it for forever. Is that how you pronounce it? NYX, NYX. This is what Mama's using. Okay. And it comes with like a doe foot applicator, and I'm just gonna pop that on the lid and blend it up. Again, like, I am not a makeup artist. I'm not a makeup guru. I'm just trying to figure out how to do my eyeshadow. I'm at a stage in my life where I'm too grown to not know how to do eyeshadow. You know what I mean? Blend. And like, I would love to be the kind of girl who can like get creative with eyeshadow. Okay, primer is on. So what I think I'm supposed to do next, I don't know why I'm nervous. Okay, I think what I'm gonna do next is give myself like a base color. And from what I understood, I think the color that was closest to my skin tone was Pasadena. It was either Pasadena or Culver. Culver's like the darker one, and Pasadena is like the lighter one. Oh, if it's gonna be my blending color, maybe I should use the lighter color. Yeah, I'm gonna use the lighter color. I'm gonna go in with Pasadena, and I'm just gonna wash it over my eye. We're just gonna pack and swirl. Okay, I feel good having this base color on. Do makeup palettes always get this dusty? Like, I think so, actually. I feel like I've seen makeup people blow excess off. Also, like, I got these brushes off of Amazon, and I'm kind of impressed with them. At first, I was like, ooh, I don't know what the hell I'm picking up. I'm just gonna buy anything. But while I was working with a makeup artist, I could have sworn she was using the same brush set. So I was like, nah, I'm official. You feel me? Like, okay, that 100% looked like my skin tone. Right? Okay. I'm feeling good about that though. Now I'm gonna add something inside my crease, and I think I want to do like a reddish, bronzish, goldenish kind of look. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with Culver, that darker shade that I was talking about. Is it wrong for me to use the same brush? My brushes are so dirty. I'm gonna have to fix that. Whoopsies. I'm gonna save my first fluffy brush for like blending. You know what I'm saying? Because like the color that I was using on it was so like close to my skin tone. Like, see, I'm gonna put that on again. Oh shit, maybe I shouldn't have put more. 1 second, let me. Cunt. That looks cunt to me. Okay. Child. Anyways, so that's gonna be my like blending brush. You know what I'm saying? So now I'm gonna go in with this brush, which is like an angled fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go in with Culver, which is basically like a reddish brown. Y'all see that? Please do not pay attention to the mess that is on my brush. But anyways, it's kind of giving bronzer, which is not really what I was going for. When, as someone who doesn't really know how to do their eyeshadow, what I usually do is just like slap bronzer on my lids. And that's kind of what this is giving right now. But trust the process, I guess. I feel like one eye looks different than the other because what is going on here? But I feel like the girlies clean it up with their... Oh, fuck. Should I not have done that? It's kind of cute, right? Maybe not. I'm just like blending out the edges of that harsh red-ish color with the color that I used on my base. Ciao. Anyway, so time to pack some color on the lid, I feel like. Or should I try to go even darker in the crease? Because I really wanted like to give dimension. You know what I'm saying? Oh my God, but I'm so nervous. I'm gonna go in with Gardena. It's like a dark gray. This color, Gardena. It's like a dark gray. I'm gonna try to put that in my crease. Is that a bad idea? Oh my God, I'm so nervous. Yeah, I feel like that's doing something. I kind of like this color, which I know is like crazy to say considering like the state of my face right now. But I really think we're just gonna have to trust the process because I don't know what I'm doing. And when I did my birthday makeup, I didn't know what I was doing either, but I feel like it turned out kind of nice. So this is terrifying. Okay, now I'm gonna go back to Culver, which was like the reddish brickish color. And I'm gonna try to use that to help blend this in. Oh my God, was that a bad idea? I don't know. I don't know. Let's just keep going. Oh, that definitely doesn't look right. It's kind of giving black eye, like I got beat up. But wait, let me like, it does kind of give black eye though. It kind of gives like, ooh, someone beat her up. Ooh, we gotta call the authorities. It's giving we gotta call the authorities. But wait. Child, anyways, so now I'm gonna grab a brush. Yeah, this. It's like a packer brush. And I'm gonna pack on a lid color, like something that goes in here. The whole vibe I'm trying to go for, I think, is like muted brown smoky eye. I think. Wait, I feel like this is doing something low-key. Low-key, this is tea, low-key. This is starting to look like something. I just needed like something on the lid for real to tie in what the fuck we had going on. I think up here looks a little crazy, so I am probably gonna go back. But I think this being in a corner situation, I'm not mad at it. For a beginner, like, cut me some fucking slack for real. Overall, something's happening. I'm gonna go back into this color. And I know that sounds scary, but just hear me out. I'm gonna go back in with the dark color into my crease to kind of blend out the edges of the sparkle. I think that's working. Like, okay, depth in the eyelids. Does that look spooky though? That's just what I don't understand. I just don't know if it's scary. Like, I don't know if it's scary or if I'm just scary. Like, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm gonna go back in with my good old-fashioned Pasadena, which is basically like my skin tone. I'm gonna work backwards. I'm gonna work from the outside Yeah, like I feel like this is cleaning stuff up low-key. I have like the strongest urge to just like do this, but I feel like that's wrong. So I'm just gonna like do this. Do people blend with their fingers when they do eyeshadow? Because that's what I'm feeling like I want to do. Like I just want to blend it out. Girl, I don't know if this is blended. I'm getting scared. It is kind of giving brown smoky eye though, right? Like a little bit. Yes, 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 yes. Now I would love to use like a clean brush to kind of just like wibbly wobbly that back into place, but I don't think I have that many brushes. So I'm just gonna go back here and make sure my shiny color is being shiny. I think that's cute. I think that is my smoky eye. Chat, just look at it. Look at it and tell me I'm not crazy. Like, it's giving smoky, no? I'm gonna like beat my face and then we're gonna come back and see if the glam is giving glam. You know what I'm saying? A part of me kind of wants to like line my eye. I'm nervous. Should I do it? Maybe I'll use this. Is this a bad idea? Okay. I'm gonna use K-Town, which is this color, the black. And I'm just gonna line my eye just a little bit, just a little bit. I feel like it will add to the smoky je ne sais quoi of the look that I'm trying to get. I think. Okay, I feel like I'm doing a lot, but now that I'm here, I can't stop, so. Other side. This can't be the way people do their makeup. Guys, do my eyes look different or do they look the same? I kind of feel like the liner added some dimension, you know what I'm saying? I feel like that's the whole point of these looks, like dimension. Anyways, I'm gonna beat my face and then I will be right back, okay? Guys, I don't know, like, I feel like it kind of looks good. The beat really tied it together. Like, I feel confident in base makeup, but eyes, oh, it's so spooky. But I don't know, like, does it look cute? I added some of my highlight to the top corner, and I feel like when I blend with my fingers a little bit, it gives me a little bit more like, okay, okay. But I feel like I'm liking it right now. I don't know. I feel cute. I think I'm gonna try putting on lashes, and then that'll be the final look. That'll be my final glam. I wanted to put on a nude lip, but I couldn't find my new lipstick. So I'm using like a little pinky glossy color. Cute. Oh my God. Okay. I think I'm gonna put on a lash. Okay, you guys, this is the final look, and honestly, I'm not mad at it at all. I feel like it's giving me like a golden, smoky, brown kind of vibe, which is exactly what I was going for. Honestly, of course, practice is gonna make perfect, so I'm just gonna like keep giving it a try to see like if I can get better and better. But honestly, for a rookie, I ain't mad at it. It's kind of cute. It's kind of giving what I needed it to give. Do you know what I'm saying? I did kind of mess up with my eyelash, so just whatever. But other than that, I'm not mad at it. I hope you guys like it. First impressions of this SHEGLAM matinee in LA. I honestly cannot be mad. I really like the colors. I feel like they did what they needed to do. I feel like I can make a lot of looks with these colors as well, like a lot of neutral, chocolatey, smoky vibes, which is exactly what I was going for again. So yeah, I'm not mad, honestly. I'm not mad. I feel like I'm gonna go get cute and like take pictures now because I'm feeling myself, okay? But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.